Hello friends, it's Mai for Hi Esoterica, and you know I love all things esoteric, especially tarot. I just got this new oracle deck by Belinda Grace with illustrations by Lori Banks and published by Rockpool. It's called True Love Oracle. I found them on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. My first impressions is they're high quality cards on good quality cardstock. They feel nice in the hands, the cards have a nice matte finish, and they don't stick together. It's very nice. It's very smooth. The corners are rounded and they don't feel sharp at all. They're a good size too. My only complaint is that there's only 36 cards and I wish there were more, at least twice as many. I chose this deck because I was really drawn to the artwork. It looks very modern and I appreciate the diverse imagery and ideas about relationships. So that's my review. What do you think? And what do you look for in an oracle deck? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you like this video and share it with your friends. And subscribe to Hi Esoterica for more videos on all things esoteric. If you like this content, please support the channel on Patreon. It really helps me out. Thank you, my lovely friends, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye for now. Just jiggle one. There they go.